Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka 4. Earth, water, fire, air, ether, mind, intellect, egoism. These are my eightfold Prakriti.
Chapter 7, Shloka 4. Bhumir apo nalo vayuho kammano buddhirevacha ahankara iti yamme bhinna prakritir ashtadha.
Chapter 7, Shloka 4. Arjuna is convinced that all his problems are due to wrong identification with the layers of matter and will come to end on discovering his real nature, the self. Lord now gives him the teaching. According to the Sankhya philosophy, the world we live in is a result of the combination of the spiritual factor Purusha and the inert matter Prakriti. The spiritual factor dynamizes the inert matter and it appears to act as though it is intelligent and vital, like the steam at high pressure dynamizes the inert iron assembly called steam engine. The steam cannot express its dynamism without the steam engine. To understand the self, the matter aspect and the spiritual aspects in each individual are described separately. According to Vedanta, the matter aspect constitutes the five great elements: mind, intellect, and ego. This eightfold Prakriti, the matter, has come to superimpose on the truth or spirit out of ignorance. The list of what constitutes the eightfold Prakriti is nothing but the subtle body and its instruments of expression or the senses. The five great elements are represented in the individual as the senses. The world as stimuli come in through the senses, are received by the mind and then judged and classified by the intellect. At all the three levels of sense perception, mental reception, and intellectual assimilation, there is a continuous sense of I-ness, which is called the ego. These are the equipment through which, at the touch of spirit, man functions as the intelligent being. Once the distinction between matter and spirit is understood, he will come to understand that the spirit, identifying with matter, is the cause of all suffering, and on detaching from its identifications, it discovers its own real nature as bliss absolute. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.